Good evening from the vibrant city of Taipei, Taiwan. After 3 weeks of braving Bali's tropical heat, I'm ready to embrace Taiwan's cooler, more refreshing climate.
各位乘客，欢迎抵达台北。现在是当地时间晚上6点28分。
My accommodation in Taipei is citizenM Taipei North Gate, a sleek and modern stay with a tech-driven, minimalist approach to hospitality. It promises 24/7 convenience, strong Wi-Fi, and an artsy communal space. But does it truly deliver on comfort, value, and guest experience? Let's find out. citizenM is strategically located in downtown Taipei, just a 6-minute walk from Taipei Main Station after arriving via the Airport Express. This makes it highly convenient for travelers flying into Taiwan Taoyuan International Airport. citizenM champions a self-service check-in model, meaning you'll use a touchscreen kiosk to get your room key. While efficient for tech-savvy guests, those who struggle with technology might need help from the available staff. That said, the process is smooth, quick, and eliminates long queues, a plus for business travelers or those arriving late at night. Once the check-in is done, however, the lift system is a bit of a headache. With only 2 out of 3 lifts reaching the highest floors and failing to sync, it can be frustrating, especially during peak hours. The dark hallways make navigation difficult at night. I booked the queen room. It is compact, 15 square meters, very clean, well designed, but best suited for solo travelers. A couple with large luggages may find it tight. I paid 2,888 new Taiwan dollars per night for this room, which does not include a view. The queen bed is wall-to-wall, plush, and incredibly comfortable. Inside the closet, you'll find clothes hangers, a safe deposit box, along with a pair of disposable slippers. The sink is outside the bathroom, which may feel odd to Asian guests. The fridge wasn't cold, so it's best not to store perishable items. On the plus side, the hotel provides 2 complimentary bottles of water daily. The hairdryer delivers strong airflow without excessive heat, making it efficient for drying long, thick hair quickly. A window is provided in all rooms, even the budget options, preventing the room from feeling claustrophobic. However, only the higher category rooms offer a stunning Taipei skyline view. The Chromecast TV easily streams Netflix, Prime, or Disney Plus from your own account. The high-speed Wi-Fi is reliable for work or streaming. I could change the ambience with a tap on the mood pad, and also adjust lights, temperature, and the blinds from my bed. However, the in-room iPad can be buggy, but you can use your phone instead. If you're not tech-savvy, you may struggle with adjusting the temperature, lights, or blinds. Some guests have reported the room being too cold in winter because they did not know how to regulate the temperature. The bathroom design is small but functional and clean. The powerful shower pressure is great for a refreshing rinse. A bath mat is included, which helps prevent slips. The separate wet and dry areas provide easier access to the shower and create a more comfortable and cleaner space for guests. From 2025 onwards, Single-use toiletries are no longer provided due to Taiwan's new environmental regulations. The 2-in-1 shower and shampoo combo is convenient, but not ideal for hair care. If you're particular about your shampoo, it's best to bring your own. There's also no laundry facility, so guests staying longer will have to find a laundromat nearby. For a hotel at this price point, the lack of in-room coffee and tea is disappointing. Instead, citizenM provides food and drinks at canteenM. A spacious lounge featuring vitra furniture, museum-quality art, a curated book collection, and a 24/7 bar serving everything from breakfast to late-night cocktails. The coffee at the lounge is pricey, $4 for a basic cup, and they also charge for tea bags. The buffet breakfast looks decent, but Taipei's street food scene offers better value. For cocktails, skip the drinks and explore Taipei's vibrant nightlife instead. Overall, I find citizenM Taipei North Gate to be a stylish, no-frills option with a few quirks that might not suit every traveler. If you prioritize design, location, and a comfy bed, this is a solid choice. But if you value spacious rooms and in-room amenities, there are better alternatives in Taipei.